Welcome to simplystreetbikes.com. Today we have a 2007 Kawasaki EX250R Ninja with 5,920 miles. It is a 250cc. This is a wonderful, affordable starter bike. Today I'll give you a walk around and show you about the bike and also start it up for you so you can hear it run. It's a deep red that shines up very well. There are a couple of blemishes. On the clutch side, front fairing, we do have a crack and some scuffing. We are missing a few bolts on the belly pan. The front windshield currently is zip tied on. And there is a crack under the right-hand side mirror. There is a little scuff on the right-hand side belly pan there. It comes with a stock dual exhaust. The rear tire will be replaced, as well as all the bolts that we have shown you that are missing will be fitted. Let me show you a picture of the gauges. It's got 5,920 miles. I'm going to set the camera down and start it up for you. This is a carbureted bike. Fires right up. Again, this is a affordable starter bike for those that are looking to get their first motorcycle. Again, this is a 2007 Kawasaki Ninja 250. All of our bikes come with a 24-point inspection before we sell them, as well as most of our bikes come with a 50/50, 30-day, or 1,000-mile warranty. Thanks for visiting us at Simply Street Bikes. Hope to see you soon.